difference between potential difference and voltage, right? Difference between PD and voltage. First of all, potential difference is the work done in carrying a unit charge. A unit charge means one charge from one point or from one terminal to another. Do you get? This is a resistor, arrow, right? Now, this is another point. Then you move here. I told you that there's something like an inductor, right? Then let's just say this is a capacitor, or maybe like a voltage or whatever. No, a voltage can never be in series. Like this is like a capacitor. Then before you go back to the point, this is the cell. It's coming from positive, there's a negative, it's going like current is flowing like this. And let's just say this is a terminal, this is another terminal. Can you see? Then this is the voltage. This voltage is the PD. Do you understand? And why is the PD here? See, there's nothing about PD. PD doesn't work directly from the current. Do you understand? It doesn't. Rather, there is always a component in series here, which is arrow. Can be in series, can be in parallel. We'll get to that. Then PD, there's a terminal here, there's a terminal here, but there is a PD. And there's a force in the PD that overcomes the internal resistance coming from the cell for current to flow properly through this component. That is why the PD is always across it in parallel. Do you see it? So now, calm down. The PD is the work done in carrying a unit charge from one point, let's just say point A, to point B, or from one terminal to another. Do you get it? And when it's carrying it will not be in series. If you say something is in series, that means first resistor 1, another resistor arrow 2, another resistor arrow 3. Do you copy me? Now, voltage, that's PD. PD is also represented. The unit of PD is in volts. So, PD now is the work done in carrying a unit charge from here. Just carrying charge that comes from this cell. This is a cell, right? So, the work done in carrying a charge from here across this resistor. The PD will help the current, drag the current from here. Like the PD will drag the, whatever current coming from here, drag it through for it to pass through this resistor. Right? With the help of the PD, the current will flow. So it is the work done. And what work done? Work done equals what? Force times distance. You come across this. Also, PD equals work times work over charge. Remember. So PD is work done to carry charge from here to here. Finish. Or from terminal to terminal. Finish. Why voltage is the PD from terminal to terminal? This one is work done to carry from terminal to terminal. While voltage is the PD across a full circuit. Do you understand? So this one just is the work to carry charge from this point to this point. Finish. Do you understand? While voltage is the PD to transport charges around the circuit. So don't worry, when I write my own book, I'll send to you in UK, okay? I'll send you my book. So that's why you see me compiling for my notebook. So do you understand the difference? Can you give me the difference between PD and voltage? Because I know I emphasized on it. So give me fast.
Okay. The voltage is like the PD in the whole circuit, but the PD is like it's only the work done from one point to the other point, not the whole circuit.
Perfect. Thank you. Next point. You know what open circuit is? Open circuit. There's an additional information on open circuit. Open circuit is one without load. Closed circuit is one with load. Okay? Then short circuit is one directly from the source. All I taught you the other time was from another material. I saw another material when they said when the battery or the electric source is not connected to any other device. That means not connected from the source, from the terminals. It's not connected to any other device, right? That's like the diodes, like the resistors, etc. Right? But in the closed circuit, some is connected to any conductor or device. Do you understand? So, and then there are two types of resistance you need to know.